Hello everyone, this is a quick demo on how we can do a stock material receipt in iQ-Metallika ERP software. So for this you need to open up your Google browser and type in a URL which is login.iqmetallika.com. So once you login to login.iqmetallika.com. Again I'm repeating, it's login.iqmetallika.com. So when you log in, you can see our login home page. Now every user of iQ-Metallika have his or own unique login ID and password which is given by admin department to you. So you need to enter that ID and password here, and after that just press enter button to select the company, and you need to select the site here. So this is very important in this process because when we are transferring our stock from the rolling side to the furnace, then we should accept material in the furnace side and we will make stock material receipt in the furnace side. But if we are transferring material from furnace to rolling, then we will receive in the rolling side and we will make material receipt note in the rolling side. But in the both cases, the stock transfer would be in another side. If I'm doing stock transfer from rolling to furnace, then we will make a stock transfer transaction in rolling side and we will receive it in furnace side. Then we will make stock material receipt in furnace. So in this video, let's say we transferred stock from the rolling to furnace, so we'll receive in furnace here. So I select furnace. Now again here, and the module which comes under stock. Now this is the home page for the stock control. Now when I move to the upper left hand side of the screen, we can see transactions here. When I click the transactions, we can see all different type of transactions. Stock transfer receipt is the last one. Now I select this and my form for the stock transfer would open up. Now whenever we're gonna make a new data entry into iQ-Metallika system, we need to press insertion mode button, because without pressing this button we are not able to save our data into iQ-Metallika system. So when we move to the upper left hand side of the form, we can see a green cross button. This is known as insertion mode button. So when I click this button, my form is highlighted now and I am able to save my data into iQ-Metallika. Now the receipt code is something which is generated by the system automatically. Now we need to select the date. So let's say we received the material on 8th of October. Now the account, here you need to select the account from which you are receiving. So let's say it's ABC Industries Pvt Ltd. Now received by the employer whomsoever is making the stock material receipt. So let's say in this video I am receiving the stock and my name is Anil Kumar. Now the time, so the format is, first you need to enter the date and the time again. So I'm copying the date from the upper side and pasting here. Now I'll just press enter and it takes the time 12 mid automatically. Now if you don't want to enter the truck number, you can skip this portion. And the list of pending transfers would open up. Here are the two different transfer. So you can drag it to the right hand side and see all the transfer details. So here I select this and you can see the transferred material is bars and rods and this much quantity is transferred. Now the item account, when I press enter, the item account would open up. In this we need to select the account in which we are receiving. So we are receiving in XYZ Industries Pvt Ltd. So I'll take this. Now the GR number will be provided by the transporter. It's on the transporter receipt, okay, and this is the transfer number. This is the actually reference transfer number which you have entered into the stock transfer reference number, right? Now the voucher code is something which is generated automatically. Narration, if you want to enter any narration in this transactions, you can enter. Now the next step is to calculate our charges. So when I click calculate, you can see different type of calculations here. So here we can see the calculate charges here. When I click to the charge detail, then we can see all the taxes on this transaction. So our next step is to save our data. So when I move to the upper left hand side of the screen, we can see a save button here When I click this button, my system would ask, do you want to save record? I'll say yes, and my record is saved. My form is clear now. So this is how you can do a stock material receipt in iQ-Metallika ERP software. Hope this video would help you.